Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is 5 star, 18 star, 6 star, 15. To solve this, first let me consider the given question as 5 star, 18 star, 6 star, 15. Okay. Now, what we have to do? We have to replace these set of stars by the set of signs. Okay. Now see here. 5, the star is replaced by plus 18 as it is. Now this star is replaced by division 6 as it is. Now this star is replaced by is equal to 15. Now once again you have to take care of Bottomless rule. According to the Bottomless rule, what comes first? The division comes first. So therefore 5 will keep as it is plus 18 divided by 6. What will get? 18 by 6 is? Of course it is 3. Am I right? Okay. Now is equal to as it is 15. Now see here, 5 plus 3 is 8 equal to 15. But this 8 is not at all equal to 15. Isn't it? Therefore option 1 is the wrong option. Now what is the next procedure? Consider the question again. Replace these set of stars by these set of signs. That means the signs which are given in the option 2. Okay. Now 5 as it is, star is replaced by into 18 as it is. Now this star is replaced by division 6 as it is. Now this star is replaced by is equal to. Okay. Is equal to 15. Now look at over here. Once again we have to use Bottomless rule. According to the Bottomless rule, division comes first. Therefore 5 as it is into as it is. Now 18 by 6 is again what? Once again it is 3. That is equal to 15. Now see, 5 into 3. What is 5 into 3? 5 into 3 is 15 is equal to 15. Now you can see the second option is making the equation meaningful. Therefore the second option will be right option. Now well friends, look over here. Whenever the given equation becomes meaningful, do not go for checking the other options. Do not waste your time while checking the other options. Okay. You can use that remaining time for solving the other problems. We will see some more number of problems.